In episode 14, Yingguo quickly enters the room as Yang, who had too much to drink, lies on the sofa. Yingguo approaches him and begins adjusting his jacket. Yang says, "Quickly serve this cake to Yingguo now and don't tell her that I'm drunk." Hearing this, Yingguo thinks to herself, "I don't care about the cake, I care about you." When she sits next to him and puts her hand on his face, Yang asks, "Did you not hear me?" Hearing Yang's words, Yingguo realizes that she feels so good with him and says, "I feel bad for you." Yingguo explains to Yang that she now understands and agrees to eat the cake. Yang wakes up upon hearing Yingguo's voice, and she questions him about why he drank so much and if anyone didn't try to stop him. Yang hugs Yingguo. Yang then asks if he holds a special place in her heart. At that moment, Jiang Yang and Wu Wei enter the room. Yingguo calls out to Yang, but he falls back asleep. Yingguo gently lays him on the sofa and covers him with his jacket. Jiang Yang and Wu Wei observe the scene attentively. Yingguo starts asking them what happened here. When he left, he seemed very happy. Jiang Yang says, "You eat the cake." Yingguo doesn't understand this, so Wu Wei starts showing him pictures of a bakery. Wu Wei says that Yang wanted to buy a cake for you, but the shop was closed. And when we reached there, he was sleeping against the wall. Yingguo feels sorry for Yang upon hearing this. Jiang Yang points out that Yang truly cares about you. Wu Wei reveals that he has done many secret things for you. Wu Wei explains that Yang played the game to invite you to lunch, not for anyone else. Yingguo is shocked to hear this. He mentions that no one can make Yang do something he doesn't want to do. Yingguo asks why Yang stopped playing snooker. Jiang Yang says that Yang was talented but also arrogant, and at that time, Yang had lost several matches consecutively. Rumors started spreading that Yang was losing these games for the sake of money. Wu Wei says that later, there was also a dispute with the referee in one match. Our coach asked him to apologize, but Yang refused. Jiang Yang says that in anger, our coach kicked Yang out of the club, and in that moment, Yang gave up on his career. Yingguo says that my match is tomorrow, so now I have to go. You both take care of him. Yingguo kisses Yang and leaves. The following day, Yingguo advances to the finals after winning the game. Then Yingguo's final match starts, and his opponent is also a Chinese player named Xi Ran. After that, it is shown that Yingguo is with Yang. When Yang wakes up, he starts looking at Yingguo. Yingguo asks Yang what happened, but Yang ignores the question and hugs her. Yingguo insists on knowing why Yang drank so much, and Yang explains he was drinking to alleviate his sadness. He met many old friends, which brought back many memories. Yingguo asks him if he has decided to forget his past, and Yang confirms that he has. Yingguo asks Yang if he remembers what they did. Yang starts asking about what they did. Yingguo says that she was just teasing him. Yang asks Yingguo about the time. So Yingguo informs him that today is Sunday and it's noon. Yang, surprised, asks, "Is the game over?" Yingguo replies, "Yes, I'm a runner-up." Yang reassures, "You'll win next time." Then Yang tells Yingguo to rest for a while, and then he'll take her to see the sunrise. Yingguo, surprised, says, "But it's already afternoon." Yang says, "I'm not talking about here. We'll go to an island." Yingguo asks if he's serious, and Yang says, "Yes, I made all the arrangements prior to the competition." Yingguo asks, "But how did you get my passport number?" Yang says, "Xiaoqian told me." Then both of them arrive at Helan Island. They park the car on the side to rest for a while. Yang adjusts Yingguo's seat backward. Yingguo starts saying to Yang, "Do you treat everyone else the same way?" Yang holds her hand and says, "Do you think I'd be interested in other girls?" She says, "Don't be too cocky." She asks, "The sky is clear now, but will everything fog up later?" Yang says, "No, the sun will rise soon." Now they start their journey again. Yingguo says, "The sun has indeed risen." Yang says, "Yes, because we are very lucky." Now Yingguo and Yang come out to see the view. Yingguo says, "This place looks very beautiful." Yang starts telling Yingguo that this place is very famous for astronomical observations. If you look at the sky at night, You can see the galaxy very closely from here. Then Yang says, we'll go to the visitor center and use a telescope. Yang says, I'll go to the market to get some food. If you feel cold, turn on the car heater. With that, Yang leaves, and Yingguo continues to enjoy the scenery for a while. Soon, Yang returns with coffee and snacks. Once again, their journey begins, and Yingguo takes pictures of Yang during the journey. Yingguo takes off her jacket. Yang says, there's a gas station nearby. We can change into summer clothes there. Now both of them change their clothes at the gas station because the weather changes significantly here. When Yang and Yingguo arrive, Yingguo says, we've reached here in just 2.5 hours. You drove very fast. Yang says to Yingguo, now let's have some fun. They both come to the beach. Yang brought some snow from the mountains, surprising Yingguo. Yang tells Yingguo, I brought the snow so we can build a snowman together. Yingguo suggests, let's hurry and make the snowman before the snow melts. But instead of making a snowman, they begin throwing snow at each other. Yang and Yingguo have a lot of fun. Yingguo questions Yang, why are you like this? Yang wonders, what kind of person am I? Yingguo changes the subject and mentions, there are many people watching us right now. Yang asks, do you feel happy? Yingguo says, yes, I'm very happy. Yang mentions to Yingguo, the pineapple smoothie here is very good. I'll get it for you. Now, they both sit down here. Yingguo asks Yang, why are you so quiet? Yang says, I'm thinking about you. Yingguo starts smiling upon hearing this. Yang tells Yingguo, we'll go to see the stars tonight. Yingguo gets very excited to hear this. They stroll around the area for a bit. Later, they hop on a merry-go-round together. Now, there is a spot here where many locks are locked. Yang gives her a lock and marker. Then she writes her and Yang's name on the lock and Yang locks the lock. Now, they see a necklace shop. Yang tells Yingguo that this is the same shop where I bought the necklace. Now, Yingguo and Yang come to the rest house. Yang picks up Yingguo and takes her inside.